Yes, we just did a vlog yesterday, exactly, checking out some historical signs in the business districts here in McHenry. But tonight's topic is the McHenry Riverwalk. It was a little too much to cover in last night's video. Did a lot of walking that night. But it was actually a really good thing that I waited, because we just got some exciting news today. The McHenry Riverwalk Shoppes have an official grand opening date. And these are not real, by the way. I haven't named them yet. I'm just kind of sitting outside the senior center here. Fire globes have still not been turned on since Shamrock's the Fox. Friday, July 21st, 2023 is the official grand opening / ribbon cutting of the McHenry Riverwalk Shoppes in Miller Point Park. And that's right, the McHenry Riverwalk Shoppes are coming very soon. There is still obviously some work to go, but check this out. And I've already featured this on a YouTube short, but check out the awesome brickwork. That is so cool. Even since I've done my last short, did a lot of work on the windows and doors, electrical. Yeah, I'm really excited for this. And obviously, even though the main focus has been on constructing these shops, they have been doing some decent work here at Miller Point Park. Remember, folks, once upon a time this was just a parking lot and a little bit of grass. I don't know when exactly we'll be able to walk through this area, but they did a lot of sidewalk work here. And here you can see, hopefully, once this fencing is removed, there's new sidewalks. And a lot of this dirt area is going to be the new grassy area eventually, and a splash pad. And I believe I featured this on a YouTube short as well, but apparently the Fox River has this whole mile marker system like an interstate. How cool is that? Well, it's cool to me anyway. Here at Miller Point Park, this is River Mile 100.7. Even though technically this is Boone Creek and not the Fox River. But yeah, there's a whole mileage system here. I checked out this website, I think it was, and yeah, there's a whole interactive map. You check where each mile is. It's pretty crazy. This is where the big "You Are Here" sticker should be. And you can see some of the mile markers here. Well, it's a little hard to see, but yeah, pretty cool, huh? Yeah, and it's not showing up really well on the camera, but this is mile 98. So the mileage does go down, and I think it ends at the Illinois River. So yeah, basically from Miller Point Park here, we are about 100.7 miles from the Illinois River. Oh, that's interesting. Now, I thought they were there for the senior home, but there's a couple of the fake geese here as well. I don't know, maybe they're meant to scare away the multiples of geese that would hang out here every night. I don't really know. Here's a really good shot at some of the new sidewalks that I'm just waiting to walk on. They just opened up a splash pad at another park in town, and yeah, there's going to be one over here eventually as well. And this is where the new outdoor amphitheater concert thing is eventually going to go. They are also redoing this pier. I just noticed this the other week when I was taking a stroll through here. Yeah, they're completely redoing this as well. Yeah, no walking down this thing for a little bit. I ain't trying it. Here's a nice shot of Miller Point Park. Like I said, a lot of work to go yet. Their main goal, obviously, was to get these shops open and the businesses in. And one little shop has its outside lights on. This is a recent thing as well. This is the look from Riverside Drive. More of that pretty cool looking brickwork. And there's another update from McHenry, Illinois. Hopefully you're not getting too bored with these vlogs yet. I kind of have turned into Adam Navu with all his vlogs that he does in celebration, but I can kind of understand why he does that now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And stay tuned because, yeah, we're going to have a lot more update videos. A lot of exciting things going on in McHenry this year. Thank you for watching. Future Wayne here again. Yeah, like I said, there's a lot of stuff going on in McHenry these days. So now, not only do I have 2 McHenry update videos, I have to make both of them a 2-parter. Because check this out. Every single shop is now lit up. It's not open yet. Still a few days away from that, although it's coming very soon. But they got the outside of every single shop lit up. How awesome is that? There's also a pillar that they're building over here. I thought it was a fireplace at first, but no, it's like... Oh, okay, there's 2 pillars. Yeah, they must have some sort of archway, entryway thing. Now, I know in part 1 of this video, I gave you the full tour of what's going on here at Miller Point Park. Now, I'm not going to walk the full Riverwalk, although it is a very nice night out. But mostly I just want to go over by the bridge and get a look at the shop from there. These guys are kind of in my way. Yeah, I usually try to let these guys be. Of course, the one's already hissing at me right there. Ugh. Evil creatures. Evil creatures. Now, as much as I would like to say, in the 1 week since I filmed part 1, not much has been going on. Obviously, the shops are lit up. Really not much of a difference here at Miller Point Park. But check this out. Yeah, they are fixing up the pier, and I believe this is part of the whole project here at Miller Point Park. They're redoing this pier. Seen a few posts on the McHenry Riverwalk Facebook page. Yeah, people are fixing this up as well, and it looks pretty nice. They made a lot of progress in the last week. Yeah, I guess it's not accessible yet, based upon this guy. But lots of wood. I'm guessing that's a part of the dock there. So probably some work to go yet. But yeah, that's looking nice as well. McHenry's been hopping this summer. We are back at the shops. And again, we have full lighting here on the back. Yeah, everything is hooked up with electricity now. We're almost ready to go. We got floodlights here in the first 3 shops. And a little something different over here. And check this out. This looks really nice. The brickwork is really cool. But yeah, it's almost grand opening day. I think within the next week. And now I think we are going to officially end the video here. The next video that I take anywhere around this Riverwalk will be for the grand opening, or when I'm actually able to attend it. If it is next week, probably won't be able to check it out. I have some minor travel plans. Some pretty exciting vlogs coming up, so stay tuned for that. But once I do finally get over here and check out these shops, of course, you know I am going to vlog it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.